Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Today we have Toyota and Honda Accord, and here is Amir, my son. Say hello, Amir. We are trying to program a used computer in this car. Let us see if Amir is gonna turn the computer on. Let me close this door because of the light, interior light.
Connect the OBD2.
Yeah, we're gonna connect. Thank you for reminding us. We're gonna put the OBD2 on here. It's always this area here. That's the OBD2 connector, where the place where we can talk to the car. I'm using this interface connector. It's working fine. And here is the engine computer that was replaced for Honda 2018 push button. If the part number is the same, I believe we'll be able to do it. We're gonna put that one here. Engine computer go bad for some reason while they are working on the air condition. When you work on air condition on Honda cars, be sure that not to put any tester light or power on some sensor, especially like pressure sensor, cycling switch. So we're gonna go here. Okay, go to immobilizer. Okay, accept. Okay, click on by VIN number. Let me turn the key on because this is a different way. The ignition is on. You see the security light is blinking. So now go to automatic selection. Read the that's the VIN number. We are not going to put any VIN number again, but this is the VIN number that from the donor. Say yes. Smart key. Push to start the other one because it has push to start and push to turn, right? Okay, now say yes. System initialization. No, go to Emo scan. Say yes. Because the car is start. If the car doesn't want to start, it will turn the ignition by itself. Configuration takes some time. This phone also is get hot very fast. I don't know why. I hope I can finish it without before. You can get a used computer from eBay or from Amazon. It depends. Now go to Emo Learning. Replace ECM PCM. So we're gonna follow the step. You say turn the ignition. Please turn the ignition off. Wait about 6 seconds, 10 seconds, 4 seconds. Turn the ignition on.
Don't press the brake though.
Yeah, if you press the brake, it will crank. So I'm not turning the brakes. Yeah, let's go. It will recognize it by itself. So again, turn the ignition off, which is very good and very fast, I believe. So you're gonna wait. I noticed that the security is not blinking anymore. Take one of the original key access into the vehicle and remove all other key.
This is the only key, right?
Yeah, we have only one key, which is here. Have it in your hand. Yeah. Say okay now. Turn the ignition on. 2 times. Good. The key is here in our hand. Checking they say the registration is complete. That's it. You say turn the key off. When When you try to turn the key off and you push the brake, the car will start. It will not turn the key off.
Yeah.
Is this one working? All keyless remote ensure it will start the engine. All keyless remote ensure that door lock unlock work. Door lock unlock work. Now I'm gonna push the brake. Press the foot brake. No, do not press the foot brake and press the engine start twice. Okay, that to be just to turn it on. 1, 2. Ignition come on. The security light that blink is gone. Everything is good now. So now let me see. Push the brake. Start the car. Car start fine. Let me put the AC. This says I have AC problem.
But it's cold now.
Are you sure? Hopefully.
I feel it right here. It's cold.
Just regular temperature, maybe. But let's go turn that one. They have a problem with the air conditioner.
Let's just see if it cools down.
Yeah. Cool down the sheet. It's missing. So let me try to go to diagnosis and see what happened. Put the fan down a little bit. Yeah. The AC, they say maybe the condenser, he changed
What's this one for?
This is auto, to have it very cold.
What about this one? This is the AC?
That's the sink. Sink means that if you sink here, the temperature here and here, they go together. You see? 62, 60 low. But if you unsync it, only your side.
Wait, both sides of the AC?
Yeah, but you can have your temperature on the right side could be higher and this one could be lower. To adjust it, some people they don't need cold AC, so they can adjust it or heat. So they all like, but it doesn't have. So let me go now to diagnose to see what the cause. This car, while they're testing the AC, the car shut off on them. So let's try to see what's going on. I'm gonna go to diagnose. I just want to see what happened to the AC system. Okay, we go by VIN, auto detect. We have to change the VIN number too, you know that?
Why?
Because this VIN number is not the same. We change the engine computer, we have to change the VIN number. Okay, we're gonna do it now. Let me show you something. See this VIN number?
Mm-hmm.
It's not the same, 66156. This VIN number, yeah. 1652. So it's different. So we're gonna change the VIN number first. I'm gonna say okay. No, I'm gonna
Press red.
say okay here. No, that's the VIN number. So we go to US.
You sure it's not Japanese?
I'm gonna say yes. Let me show what we're gonna do. We need to see what code we have on the AC system or on climate control, and if the command is there. Car is running, AC is not working. Okay, diagnose, control unit. Where is you see anything related to air condition? Okay, let me just see the engine and try to change the VIN number and see if there is any code. Read code. No codes. Okay. Let me see data. If there is AC request input or no. Let me see if there is AC request. If you see AC. If you get any letter. AC clutch is on.
Yeah. I think you have to press on it for it to
And the
be on.
pressure is here.
You have to press on it, or that's...
No, we have to. It's on now. So let me go off. Now it's off. AC clutch is off. Here AC pressure 97.7 psi.
That's high, right?
But it's supposed to be here.
Supposed to be 4,000 something?
Yeah, to 407.92. Or maybe, yeah, because you see the numbers here?
Mm-hmm.
And AC voltage here is sensor, and AC clutch is off. So let me try to see, turn it on. AC clutch is on. AC pressure sensor never change. AC pressure sensor here is 1.6. AC switch is on.
Ahmed,
Yes.
tell me, are you doing relearns and stuff for everything?
We have, but look here, your AC here. This computer we put it in. You see when I turn it off, the AC already seeing the.
It's saying on and off.
Yeah,
It's
no,
working.
yeah. You see here, it's on and off.
No, it's working.
Yes.
Mohammed.
But maybe the condenser is bad or
Got
the
it.
cooling.
Max,
What about the cooling?
Mohammed, these signs, they were not there
No,
before.
this is only dealer. Do you have any accident?
No, there was signs were not there before. You know what I'm
Do you
saying?
have an accident?
No.
Yeah, because system
Mohammed.
initialization, continue
okay.
driving. This one is for like.
If I drive, it's gonna go?
Yeah, because he need to see the road.
Okay, the reason why I'm saying, because before we screwed it up, there was no lights.
Okay, no problem. Let me try to clear them first.
Yeah, thank you.
But this one some of them you have to drive it.
Okay, no worries. Because
Okay.
this collision system, this wasn't there before.
Yeah, when you have any problem in it, disconnect the battery, put a computer in, you can lose everything and you have to drive. Some of them you have to drive it. Some of them they need a target.
The reason why I know. So this one is gonna need target programming.
It may need a target. Drive it first. I'm not sure for this, but all 2018, 19.
But this is program done.
Yeah, I'm finished. The car is start. I want to put the VIN number. The VIN number is not yet.
Do you think?
Yeah. Okay, now let's do here. You're gonna check this one later on.
Adjustment?
We're gonna go to special function, check VIN, okay? Turn the key off. Yeah, engine off. Ignition on. This VIN number will be written. Current VIN number. The enter VIN number will be written cancel.
East? Oh, no.
Okay, here is what's gonna happen. Cancel this. I cannot do it from here. You cannot do it from here. Let me see here. No, this is not the one. So what I gotta go to you cannot do it from here. So maybe from the beginning. You cannot do it here. So we gotta go back on this section, hot functions. Let me go to IMO from here. Okay. Or you gotta write it when you start it, and then you write it into the car. When he asks you to put the VIN number, we're gonna put that one. Let me see what is gonna happen here. Let me start this car. Put the AC on because of the cooling system. This thing is getting.
I feel a little bit.
My cell phone is getting hot. I don't know what you mean by registration. We cannot do anything here. We want to register the computer. Let me just go out of it and go completely back. Amir, you're gonna read me the VIN number, okay? You gotta go to diagnose, VIN number, auto detect. Then we're gonna write down the VIN number and we will go there and write it back into the car. It takes some time, but be patient with us. Let's go over now. Okay, here we're gonna write down the right VIN number, okay? Okay, we're gonna clean this. Hold on. You're gonna read it?
Yeah.
I gotta read it for you.
Yeah, you're gonna read it.
Okay. Listen to it now. Uh-oh. Okay. 1.
Yeah.
H as in Harry. G as in George. C as in Charlie. V as in Victor. 1. F as in Frank. Okay, now you're gonna put this one, say okay. Okay only. Now he will adopt this VIN number. Now we go to US. Even in the top here is different, right?
Yeah.
Here is 1652. Here is
That's wrong.
156. Yeah, but that from the donor. But let me see what it's gonna say. Yes. If we try to write the VIN number, I don't know if they're gonna give us choice. Hot function. Diagnose. Control unit. PGM. Okay. Special function. Check VIN. You see, he give us this VIN. 1652. Here also he changed. It become 1652. He said this will be entered into the vehicle. Say okay. That means okay. This one, where it gone? It disappear? It's not there, right? So write it here.
1H.
Yeah, you have it here. Copy the 1H.
G.
George, Charlie, Victor, 1F.
No, it's 1F. 1F3. JA1916. 1916.
I said now write it. Okay. Is this VIN correct? Say yes. VIN has written. Now go back.
Come back. And then read the VIN again, right?
No, I just wanna auto scan. Scan the whole car, clear the code before I go. To see if this one will go away. Car is not good. You're gonna diagnose the whole car and then reset it. 10% between 21, 26, 32.
This car's only driven 17,000 miles.
Hmm?
It's only driven 17,000 miles.
New, it's supposed to have under warranty.
This 2018.
Yeah, it's
We started
supposed to.
car 2021. He has 20-something thousand miles.
So someone driving more than the other one.
Yeah.
You see here we have ABS quote on 57%. That's why. And gauge quote, electrical brake booster quote. If you have a car replace a computer, this is the way you do to swap it and program it. Integrated driver support, monocular camera drive support system. This one here, it have 7-fold. We are 89%, 94%. %. Now let's go to the report. Report is under one line. Report here. Under one line. You see here, no communication with the ECU gauge communication. That when the computer is out, all the communication, you communication. And now here brake light, driver relay, circuit, steering angle, natural learning incomplete, lost communication is a PCM, TCM malfunction, brake. So I'm gonna escape this, a quick erase. If you need to do something, you have to spend some time to get everything correctly and to finish your diagnosis and programming. With this one, you can program the mirror also, the side mirror. There's a trip for gas. Okay, here it looks like we have one fault for integrated. Look here. You see here, we have only one fault. Integrated driver support. We have one fault. Let's see what it is. We're gonna see why. What code is there? Integrated driver support system. Integrated driver support system. We have a code. So we do the diagnosis. We see if it's function or why. Also system initialization, continue driving. Okay, let me see here what code I have. Read the code. Steering angle, natural position, learning incomplete. Okay. C00051. Okay. Escape. Adjustment. Okay. Radar aiming, static camera aiming. Those things maybe need. You see this steering column, as soon as the ignition is on, it will be automatically okay. You know, radar aiming, adjust menu help. This function camera aiming with the target board. You need to have a target board. We don't have target board to do that. Forget about this. I gotta go back to one thing again. I wanna see ABS.
Is it gonna help with the AC?
Yeah, on ABS maybe I will get that function. So no, it's okay. Steering angle sensor adjustment incomplete. There is no code here. Back. Adjustment. Is it on the steering angle, all sensors? Start the car. Sensor calibration in progress. Turn the ignition 90 degree, right? This is 90 degree. And then 90 degree to the left.
180 to the right.
Okay, 180 to the right.
180 is this.
Okay. 180. Again.
Slowly to
180 again left. 190. 180. Let me see now. 90 degree to the right. Turn slowly 90 degree to the right, right? This is 90 degree, right?
Yeah.
And then check. Negative response.
Let me try.
Okay. Do it, Amir. All sensors. You have to start the car?
Yeah.
Okay.
Slowly
To the left or right?
to the left, then 180 to the right.
Okay, let's go.
This to the
Yes, 180. So, and what else? Again, 180 to the left. There's 180. Okay.
90 to the right.
That's it. Here. Okay, I got you. Progress. Switch ignition off. So you did the right one. I did the wrong. Ignition on. All sensor is successful. Thank you, Amir. You did it good. Now, brake pad maintenance. Let me see here. This function used to rear brake. We don't have that one. If you do the brake, you're gonna come to release the brake and open it. But this one is good. Ignition off. I want to see if those sensors is still there or not. Ignition on. Okay, I'm gonna start the car. I want to see if that thing is gone or not for the steering angle sensor. Let me close the door. Fasten seat belt. Which one? The booster?
Sorry?
The booster?
No, booster is there.
What do you want to take off? Okay, now can you close the trunk and the hood here? The hood and the trunk. Close me the trunk too. Good. Tachometer range and fuel. Huh? Okay. What is tachometer range and fuel? Oh, you put that one, or I don't know why they ask me this. Okay. Audio, phone, anything that is system, everything look good. So I gotta go back to see if there is any code on where did that code was. I don't see no codes. Even that code is gone.
It's gone. It's good, right?
Yeah, thank God. Everything is gone. We did it. Everything is okay. It took us 26 minutes. Thank you for watching Mobile, our best car fixes. This is Muhammad Haroon and Amir Muhammad Haroon. See you in another video. And thank you for your time and watching. Please subscribe, share, and like.